Storm relative winds are just the winds with the storm motion factored out. So it's the wind that the storm is feeling. We're experiencing the winds from the storm's perspective. All we do to find that on the hodograph is, instead of drawing our wind vector from the origin, we would draw it from the storm motion to the point on the hodograph of interest. Our storm motion is given by this black bullseye right here. This is the bunker's right-moving supercell storm motion. It's not always a perfect estimate, but it's a good enough estimate for our purposes when employing these techniques. So for example, our storm relative wind at, let's say, 9 kilometers. This point right here. We would draw our vector from the storm motion all the way up to 9 kilometers. And it can be a little bit tricky because we're not at the origin here, so we might be a little bit offset from our actual rings, but just eyeball it. So where you start would be 0. This would be about 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, about 60 knots there. So our storm relative wind at 9 kilometers is out of the southwest, so southwesterly, at about 60 knots.
Subscribe to the best deal in storm chasing. Chaser Academy, link in bio.